Welcome to our second video in our series How To. We are moving to, and my name is Oliver. Today's subject is so exciting. Insurance. I'm kidding, it's a struggle but necessary. This video means money saved, so let's get started. You should be insured for many reasons. The most obvious one being if something goes wrong, you're covered. You have to be aware of one thing. Insurance companies evaluate you based on different parameters such as age, residence, civil status, gender, and income. You can be insured from many places. If you're an international student, the university can help you or let you know who to go to. You can get it through an insurance provider such as Tryg, Codan, Sygeforsikring Danmark, GF Forsikring, just to name a few, but also through your bank. Mandatory insurance includes car insurance, pet insurance, and home and fire insurance as a homeowner. There are some non-mandatory insurances which are still quite important to have. If you aren't a homeowner and are simply renting a place, you need a family insurance. In Danish it's called indboforsikring. If you get robbed, your belongings will have some coverage. Personal accident insurance is also a good idea should you ever get injured or in an accident. Travel insurance is something you need if you're traveling, and if you're planning to be in Denmark for quite some time, you may want health insurance. If you become very ill, you can skip waiting times at public hospitals. Go to our website under Practical Matters, choose the insurance article and read for more information. It's important to be correctly insured. Let me use an example. You're living in an apartment, so you just got a family insurance, which means your things in the apartment are covered. But you thought you had values worth of 200,000 Danish kroner. You're terrible at calculating, so in reality you have values worth of 400,000. In this case, you're underinsured, and that is a big problem. One day you come home and everything is gone. The person who estimates your values will say you're only insured for 50%, and therefore you will only get 50% covered of the 200,000. That's the reason why it's so important to be insured correctly. It can be a good thing to acquire 3 different offers from 3 different insurance companies. And the way you do it is you go up here. I've used this site, Forsikringsportalen. I have some problems with it right now, but that's the way to do it. I just spoke about family insurance, indboforsikring in Danish. So that's the offer I would like to have 3 offers on. The more you pick, the more you save, but I'm not interested in that right now. So it says like insurance sum. So how much do I think there is in my apartment? 200,000. So this is selvrisiko, and it basically means what you will have to pay yourself. 1,500. Next. Whenever I push this, I'll get a text that says, okay, we will provide you with a couple of offers from different providers. You cannot rate insurance based on prices. It's not a sign of quality. Sometimes the cheapest offer is the best one. What can I do to not be ripped off in the future? If you live in Denmark, you'll probably get a phone call from time to time from insurance companies. But be sharp. Sometimes they have a better package deal, sometimes they don't. They will make it sound better, but remember, cheaper is not better. You have to be covered in every way for the same amount of money or less. It's that simple. Thanks for listening, guys. Remember to like, subscribe, comment, or visit our website, Facebook. And see you next time.